Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss about both Nifty and Bank Nifty's daily analysis. Before starting the discussion, if you are new here and if you didn't subscribe to my channel, kindly do watch my earlier analysis videos. And if you like those videos, kindly do subscribe to my channel. And if you find those information and my analysis very much useful, and don't forget to like those videos as well. So now let's discuss about the past analysis performance of the Nifty 50, and followed by that we'll discuss about technical analysis of Nifty 50. So in today's session, the market has made a high of 17,529 levels and it made a low of 17,113 levels. And if we see this level 17,529 or 17,530 levels, it is very much close to our extreme target on the upper side, that is 17,580, but it missed our extreme target by 50 points. And if we come to the lowest point, that is 17,113 level, this level has closed below this our daily target on the lower side and as well as our extreme target on the lower side. So in today's session, both the daily target and extreme target on the lower side has been hit, and even the daily target of the upper side has been hit. So in today's session, if we see the profit factor, we have made a good profits in both Nifty as well as in the Bank Nifty. So this is how our analysis has been performed in today's session. So now let's start the discussion about the technical analysis of Nifty 50. So let's change this chart to Nifty. So if we see the chart of Nifty 50, so in today's session, the market has opened gap up opening and the market tried to move up, and even this market tried to close this gap also. On the Friday session, the market has opened gap down opening. So in today's session, this market tried to close this gap down opening, but the market couldn't close this gap down opening. So it has retraced almost like 61.8% in the gap down opening, and from there market took a turnaround and eventually market came down and it hit our extreme target in today's session. So if we see in the lower time frame also, market didn't even form a pivot highs over here, so that we can take an entry early entry points for short positions from here. So we are very much confused to take at the higher points. So I was waiting for the market to close below these levels. This is a trend line, so I will discuss about this trend line in the lower time frame while I discuss about my trade setup. So eventually market came down and it made a low of 17,113 levels in today's session, and it really took the support of this previous support point, that is 1 second, I will zoom out this chart. So if we see here, the market previously took support here and market made a pivot low over here of this gap up opening. So exactly the same point market took support in today's session, and if you see the same point, the market took support in today's session, and from there market got reversed in the final after 315 candle. So overall, if we see here, the market is forming a bullish ceramic candlestick pattern, and if we expect a bullish opening for tomorrow session, if a market opens gap up opening, then we can expect a further rally up to the 70,270 or 280 levels initially. And if the market closes even above this level, then we can expect a next rally up to the 70,310 or 320 levels, and these levels will be acting as an important resistance point. And from there we can expect a market turnaround in the market, and again eventually it can regain its primary trend, that is bearish trend. But if the market directly opens gap down opening and the market is trying to fall continuously in the downside, then we can expect a further fall up to the 16,980 or 16,700 levels, that is up to this level 16,850 levels on the lower side. So but before that, if the market opens gap down opening, and the market should sustain that gap down opening, and but the market shouldn't take any retracement, or the market shouldn't form any pivot highs also, the market should continue. For tomorrow session, the market should form a open equals to high, then only we can expect that market can fall up to the 16,850 level, because between this 17,184 and this 16,850 levels, there is an important support point called 17,000 level. It is a round number, so most of the times these round numbers will be acting as an important support and resistance point, because we can expect a much high call rating and put rating options. But tomorrow is a Tuesday, so we can easily expect market to break this 70,000 level or 70,000 range if the market comes down very much aggressively. So wait until the market closes below the 70,000 level, and if the market sustains below that 70,000 level, then we can easily expect the market to fall up to the 70,850 or 70,720 levels on the lower side. So this is about the technical analysis of Nifty 50. And coming to the individual levels of Nifty 50 for tomorrow's session. So in today's session, the market has closed at 17,154, and if the market is trying to move up, this 17,173 level will be acting as an important resistance point. And if the market is trying to come down, the 17,135 levels will be acting as an important support point. So these levels 70,173 and 70,135 levels, these levels will be acting as a central zone, and if the market closes above this level and if the market sustains above this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further rally up to the 70,236, and we can consider this one as a daily target. And if the market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to the 70,319. If the market closes below this level and sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further fall up to the 17,074, and this will be our daily target on the downside. And if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a further fall up to the 16,995, and this will be our extreme target. And this is about the technical analysis of Nifty 50, and I forgot to explain my trade setup for today's session, so I will change this time frame to 5 minutes, because if I change this to 1 minute time frame, then it will be like a miniature kind of thing, and most of the people won't even understand like what I'm explaining in the chart also. So that's why I'm explaining in the 5 minute chart. So in the 5 minute chart, if we see that market has opened in the gap up opening, and from there market tried to move up continuously, and from there eventually market made a high of 7,529 levels. And if we see, market did here, if we observe the 3 candles, the market didn't even form a pivot high also. If the market forms a pivot high, then we can expect market is trying to come down from that level, and we can take put these levels as a stop loss levels, and from there we can expect a market to fall, and we can easily build up a short positions in the Nifty 50. But if we see, observe these candles, market didn't even form a pivot high type of candles. So I was waiting for the market to retrace at least for this 1/3 or 2/3, and from there I'm expecting market to go up. But the market didn't retrace up to 1/3 or 2/3, it directly retraced 100% up to this resistance point, which is now acting as a support point. From there market retraced almost like 1/3 upside, and again eventually market again it tested its support point, and eventually it broke below this support point. And further, like after breaking this support point, again it tested this lower support point, and this support point, even if we connect this previous 2 lows, the trend line which I have drawn here, even the market, both this trend line and as well as the support points were like coinciding over here, and finally the market closed below this important support point. So I took entry at this 70,394 level, because our main intention, and most of the times in my videos I explain that we need to take short positions once the market closes below this level, and we need to take long positions once the market closes above this level, and the market has to sustain above this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, or below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. But here I didn't wait for any time, because already here if we see on the upper side, the market has tested its daily limit on the daily target on the upper side. So I was waiting for the market to test the daily target and the extreme targets on the downside, because most of the times if you see my previous analysis video in the Nifty 50 as well as the Bank Nifty, initially it goes and touches the daily target on the upper side or lower side, and again from there the market reverses and it again touches the daily target towards the opposite side. So that is the main reason like I was waiting to build up a short position over here. That is the first thing. And second thing, if we observe in the multiple time frame analysis, so even in the multiple time frame analysis, the market is showing a bearish sentiment only, and based on the PCR ratio analysis also, the market is showing a bearish sentiment. So there are 3 factors which like they are very much giving a good confirmation about the bearish sentiment. So once the market closed below this level, like I was very much confident that market will fall down. So I have taken the short positions in the Nifty 50 by keeping just 10 points as stop loss in the options premium, not here. So if we see the stop loss, then it hardly comes around like 50 like 40 to 50 points. So if we keep our stop loss over here, so I have placed like 10 points in the stop loss in the options premium while taking short positions, and from there the market continuously fall down, and it has given good profits in today's session. So actually my daily target, like my area of booking profits was like daily target and final like extreme target, but I got some work and I went outside. So when I again came back at 1:45 or 2 o'clock, the market was trading around like almost here lowest levels, this 70,200 or 210 levels, some kind of thing. So at that time my options premium like went from 68 to 69 to almost 243, like 263, and again from 263 it came back and it was trading around like 240 something around like that kind of thing. So I booked my profits completely over there when the market was trading around like 243 something kind of thing. So I booked like really decent profits in today's session in the Nifty 50, but I couldn't get time to take entry points in the Bank Nifty, so I didn't take any entry in the Bank Nifty for today's session. So this is about my trade setup in the Nifty 50. And coming to the past analysis performance of Bank Nifty. But before that, if you like this video informative till now, don't forget to like my videos. So now let's discuss about the past analysis performance of Bank Nifty. So in today's session, Bank Nifty made a high of 40,690 and it made a low of 39,454. So if we see this level 40,690 level, so it almost came closer to the daily target of the Bank Nifty, that is 40,732, but it couldn't test this level and it missed the target by just 40 points on the upper side. And if you see the lower level, that is 39,454, it tested both this daily target on the downside and the extreme target on the downside, and even after closing below this extreme target, it has given a good fall approximately up to 500 points on the downside. So if you have taken entries early before this level, then easily we can expect a profit of more than 1000 points in today's session. If someone has taken entry points at this level, that is closing below this 40,400 levels, then easily even after closing below this level also you can expect a good profits up to like 900 to like 1000 points. We can easily book profits approximately 900 to 1000 points. And if we see the options premium calculator, then we can expect a 500 to 700 points booking profit like after closing below this level. So this is how our performance has our analysis has performed today, and I hope you have made a good profits in today's session. So now let's discuss about the technical analysis of Bank Nifty in today's session for tomorrow's session. So let's change this chart to hourly time frame. So the market has opened gap down opening, and from there market tried to went up and it made a high of 40,000 529 690 levels, 40,690 levels. And if we see the actually I expected that market can go up to this highest point, that is 40,839 level, because in this gap down opening this level will be acting as an important resistance point. The market goes up, and I thought market can go up to this level 40,839 levels, and from there market can come down once again. But market it tested this level and it took the resistance of these points, these pivot points. So market took the resistance of these pivot points and market has given a good turnaround from this level, and eventually market closed below this 40,433 in the second 1 hour candle itself. And if we see, the market has fallen up to this 39,454 levels. So this already we expected this much of fall, and if we see, like if we zoom out this level, so we are expecting the fall up to these levels. So in today's session the market has came up to this levels only. So as per our discussion and analysis, market eventually has given a good fall in today's session. But if we change this time frame to daily time frame, you are going to get a good analysis also. So if we see, the market is trading in between a one kind of trading zone, like a parallel channel kind of zone. So this level is acting as an resistance point, and this level is acting as an support point. So I was expecting the market to come up to this level, so eventually market came up to this support point. So in tomorrow's session we can expect a flat to dull session in tomorrow's session. But if the market closes below this lowest point in within first 1 hour or within first 2 hours, then we can expect a further fall up to this 39,123 level, and this level will be acting as an important support point. But if the market carries a good momentum and the market sustains below this 39,123 level, then we can expect a further fall up to this 38,040 or 38,030 levels. So but I'm not expecting the market to fall continuously up to this 38,000 level, because in today's session the market has fall more than 1000 points. So I won't expect the market to fall same in tomorrow's session also, because it happens very rarely. Here if we see, the market has fallen like more than 1000 points, and in the next session also the market has fallen more than 1000 points, and it occurs very rarely to fall like this much amount. So most probably in tomorrow's session, as the market is at its support point, the market can form a like an induction candle, like one kind of spinning candle or doji candle. But if the market forms a like one kind of a bullish candle or green candle, then we can expect a further rally up to this midpoint of this green candle, that is up to this 39,934 levels or 40,000 levels. From there again market can come down. But if the market closes below this level, and already have discussed the levels on the lower side, then we are going to expect that levels to come in the lower side. So this is about the technical analysis of Bank Nifty. So wait until the market closes below this support point or this above this resistance point, then only we can take good entry points like for long positions or short positions in the bank nifty. So let's jump into the individual level analysis. So in today's session, the market has closed at 39,564 levels, and from this level, if the market is trying to move up, this 39,621 levels will be acting as an important resistance point, and if the market is trying to come down, this 39,513 levels will be acting as an important support point. And here, if we see, these levels will be acting as a central zone, and if the market tries to close above this level, that is 39,621 level, and if the market sustains above this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a good rally up to this 39,806, and we can consider this one as a daily target on the upside. And if the market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to this 40,047, and this will be our extreme target on the upper side. If the market closes below this level, and if the market sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further fall up to this 39,347, and this level will be acting as a daily target on the downside. And if the market closes below this level, then this 39,130 will be our extreme target. And if we see this 39,130, this level is exactly coinciding with the 39,123 level in the technical analysis, and most probably this level will be acting as an important support point for tomorrow's session, and this will be our extreme target on the downside in the bank nifty. So this is about the technical analysis of both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, and I hope you have liked this video. And if you found this video useful and informative, kindly like my video and kindly share my videos with your friends and family members. And if you have anything, if anything to ask me, or if you want anything to add me in the video, like to further analyze, then you can definitely ask me through the comment section, and I will definitely try to include that thing in the video. So we'll meet in another video. Until then, bye bye. Jai Hind.